vote on the motion.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
Secretariat, please count the
What will
votes
happen
by
to
our members.
our...
Voting is ongoing,
Madam Chair,
Honorable Mercado.
Madam Chair, just a manifestation
We
Yes,
will proceed.
before the voting
Mag-
proceeds.
Mag-proceed muna tayo sa voting, then we will hear your manifestation. Voting will proceed. Please raise your hands, those that are in favor of the motion. Motion to terminate the budget hearing of the Office of the President. Please raise your hands. In favor. So the vote on the affirmative is 56. Those that are not in favor of the motion, please raise your hands. Okay, so 56 in the affirmative, 5 in the negative. The motion is carried.
Just a manifestation, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair. If I may be accorded to make a manifestation.
The committee hereby terminates the budget hearing on the proposed budget of the Office of the President
Madam
in
Chair,
observance of the institutional courtesy and without prejudice to the constitutional authority of Congress over the General Appropriations Bill.
Madam Chair,
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Madam Chair.
my
We
motion
now
was
recognize the...
to allow 3 members of the minority to
Yes.
make their clarificatory
Yes,
questions.
we will go to that, Minority Leader.
Thank you very much,
We
Mr.
first
Chair.
recognize the Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Gusto ko rin po sanang pagbigyan ang mungkahi ng ating naig naman yung pong ating pag-extend ng parliamentary courtesy sa ating Pangulo. Maganda po sana yon kung meron po tayong patas na aplikasyon ng tradisyon na ito. But let me just refresh the memory of our colleagues here. For 2 consecutive years, we have broken that tradition of parliamentary courtesy nung atin pong we have tremendously scrutinized the OBP budget. Ngayon, sabi po nga po ng ating colleague na si Congressman Tino ng DBCC budget hearing, what is sauce for the gander should be sauce for the goose. Sabi po ni, I have to acknowledge Representative Kimbo also, sinabi niya sa akin kanina yon. There should be fair application of the rules. Kung atin pong bibigyan ng parliamentary courtesy ang ating Pangulo, dapat ganun din ang ating Vice Presidente. Otherwise, we do not accord both offices. Dapat po ganun lang. Hindi po dapat selective ang ating aplikasyon ng tradisyon na yon.